Video 1. Let's begin with something simple and appropriate. How about a car?
車 車
Let's break that down and then build it up.
くるま車くるま車
Easy, right?
優しいですね。
Now let's add to it. It's a car.
車です。車です。
Should we break that down into little pieces?
車車車です。車です。
Now let's dress it up a bit. It's a big car.
大きい車です。大きい車です。
It's a small car.
小さい車です。小さい車です。
Do you hear the difference there? Big is
大きい。大きい。
and small is
小さい。小さい。
Now, how about it's a new car?
新しい車です。新しい車です。
It's an old car.
古い車です。古い車です。
New,
新しい。新しい。
old,
古い。古い。
Now, repeat them all. A car.
車。
It's a car.
車です。
It's a big car.
大きい車です。
It's a small car.
小さい車です。
It's a new car.
新しい車です。
It's an old car.
古い車です。
That wasn't so rough, was it? Very good.
とてもいいです。
You've already learned how to say 5 full sentences in Japanese. Of course, you can't get very far in conversation with them, but it's a start. The point is that you learn a language little by little. If you build slowly and carefully, with lots of practice and repetition, you'll become a Japanese speaker soon enough. And that brings us to our first review. How do you say a car? Did you say,
車
well, you're right. Now repeat the answer.
車
Now how about, it's a car.
車です。
Practice that answer.
車です。
Big.
大きい。
It's a big car.
大きい車です。
Now does
古い。
mean new or old? Old. How about
小さい。
small? So how do you say it's a small car?
小さい車です。
And how do you say it's a new car?
新しい車です。